Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. This time we are back with another brand review, and this time our brand is M Caffeine.
So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, talking about the brand a little bit, M Caffeine is a made in India brand. It is an Indian brand. So hashtag vocal for local. We should support such Indian brands even more. So that's a big plus point. Also, the products of this brand are SLS free, FDA approved, dermatologically tested, not tested on animals, and also paraben free, which is all good things. So it is like a very clean brand. And also there is a coffee or cocoa as a very universal ingredient, so keep that in mind. If you are a fan of cocoa or coffee, you are going to be loving this brand. So talking about the availability, this is available online on Nykaa, Amazon, and I guess Flipkart, and offline you can find it at Nykaa stores as well. So the availability is not an issue. And lastly, talking about the pricing, it has a very decent price range. Obviously it is not expensive like Estee Lauder, and it's not affordable as Himalaya as well. It's somewhere in between like 600-500k range mein. So I think it's a pretty decent price. And now we have a couple of products to talk to you guys about. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
Guys, the first product which I have is this Cocoa face mask. This has to be my favorite product from the entire brand. This is meant for dry skin people, so मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत बड़ा plus point है. Just smell it.
Dude, that smells so good. Like वो आधा भी खोलती है ना तो smell यहाँ तक आती है.
Like just smell it.
It's like चम्मच.
It? Yeah.
It's good.
It's very good. This makes my skin so soft, and it looks so healthy. This has to be my favorite product. This retails for 595 rupees, and I feel the price is worth the face mask. I would suggest each and every person who is dry skin to buy this.
Then talking about the next thing, which is the Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. This is meant for normal to oily skin, and I have oily skin. And Dinkle gifted this to me actually on my birthday. And that's when I've started using this. I've used this once or twice, I'll be very honest with you all. But it is a very decent face scrub. It's not bad at all. This is vitamin E and coffee in it, which is great. This has 100 grams of product and it retails for 349 rupees, which I think is a very decent pricing. It's not too high, it's not too low, and it gets rid of the dead skin cells. It makes your skin look smooth. I mean, it's a very decent scrub. It's nothing out of the box. So this is actually one product that I would like. It's okay if you didn't try. It's not that something you have to have in your vanity. Normal other scrubs also work in the similar way, and you have much cheaper options available as well, like the Biotique one, the Himalaya one. They are good, but this is not bad as well. So if you are looking for like a coffee scrub and like a good experience like that, you can definitely check it out.
The next product which I have is this coffee under eye cream. First of all, let's appreciate the packaging.
Yeah.
I love the packaging of this product. I have never seen any under eye cream coming in this packaging. It also comes with a pump, which is very good. Usually under eye cream comes in a tub, so आपको हाथ से लगाना पड़ता है, which is not the best thing. I feel pump करो and the product is out, so the best is the packaging of it. This one retails for 545 rupees. Again, I feel the price is quite on point, because under eye creams are usually very expensive. So 545 rupees is a good price. Now coming to the product, this is again not the best under eye cream, like, you know, coming to the product wise, but it is not the worst also. For 545 rupees, I feel it does a decent job, and if you are a coffee lover, you will enjoy using it, you know, more than the product. It's just that, you know, sometimes you want a pamper thing to our skin, like, you know, बस ऐसे enjoy करना है. I feel that is best for this one. Also tried their coffee serum, which I unfortunately don't have the product with me. Again, the serum is not the best and not the worst, but if you are a person who loves coffee and you just want to pamper your skin, sometimes कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि यार कुछ अच्छा product खरीदना है just to pamper ourselves, that is the time you can purchase that. The pricing is again very mediocre, 575 rupees or something like that. So yeah.
Then the next product that I have is the coffee face mask. This is meant for oily skin people, and this has pure cocoa as well as coffee in it, and it smells divine.
Yeah.
Like that is like universal throughout all the products. It smells so
I
so good,
know.
and this is a clay mask. So if you have dry skin, so please stay away from this because it is gonna strip off your face. But if you have normal to oily skin, this is going to work really nicely for you. It does a great job in deeply cleaning your face, making it smooth and brighter. And all in all, it's a very good experience. You literally feel that you've come out of a spa or a facial treatment, to be very honest. So I really like that. This has 100 grams of product and it retails for 575 rupees, which I think is a very decent price for a face mask, giving the quantity. I think this is a really good product if you are into clay mask, if you love coffee, if you want that instant boost of energy on your face. I think this is going to be a really good option to go for.
Yeah. Also, I wanted to add, I love the marketing strategy of this brand.
That's true.
They very well know that Indians would love coffee, chocolate, cocoa and all that. तो वो लोग ने जो branding and जो advertisements की है ना, hats off to them. Going ahead and not talking about coffee or cocoa, talking about green tea. Again, a very famous ingredient for skincare. Green tea is really good for acne prone skin people. So I have the green tea face serum and the green tea night gel. These both two are gel based products. It retails for 625 rupees, which is again a good price for a serum. Serums 500-600 के range में ही आते हैं. If you are someone who is having combination skin type or is having acne, I would highly recommend you guys to try this out. Talking about the night gel, again this one retails for 575 rupees, which is really good. The best part about this night gel is that it is a gel based serum, and when you apply this on your skin, it gives a nice cooling sensation. So I just enjoy that time, अच्छे से इसको मसाज करती हूँ, अच्छा सा रिजल्ट देता है. When you use this two regularly together, I am sure you're going to see a visible difference in your skin, especially if you have acne prone skin.
So yeah guys, that is what we had to talk about M Caffeine. All in all, it's a very good brand. You can get their products really easily. I love the fact that they have products for all the skin types, like acne prone, dry skin, oily skin, which is great. Not a lot of brands do that. So that's really unique of them. The ingredient list is also very, very unique, and the products work nicely as well. Obviously, there are a couple of hits and misses here and there, but that happens with all of the brands. So obviously, you can decide for yourself. It's not a bad brand at all. So we hope our recommendations helped you guys, and if it did, then
please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.